Wow, did you hear the big news today? Are you ready? Today, Bitcoin made a new all-time high and went over $124,000. This is really, really big news. It's something I've been predicting exclusively for my Crypto Bootcamp members. And as you can see on the chart here, Bitcoin made a new all-time high today. So what does that mean? As you can see here, we made a new all-time high today. The previous all-time high was way back here, a little bit over $123,000. And today we have a new all-time high. So what does this mean for Bitcoin and how high is it going to go? Right now, the way I'm looking at this, we have the M2 money supply chart. This chart here is one of the most accurate predictors of the Bitcoin price. So the yellow line represents all of the money available in the world, investable capital. And you could see that the yellow line has already gone all the way up here. And if you look on the right side of your chart, you can see it's pointing to about $170,000 or $180,000 Bitcoin. And if you look at the historical chart for the M2 money supply, it always moves in advance of the Bitcoin move, and Bitcoin always catches up to it. So what are we looking at here, and how can we kind of justify that using the charts? So what I'm going to do for you here is something called a Fibonacci extension. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do some analysis trying to predict, without using the M2 money supply, where does the chart say that Bitcoin will likely go? Okay, so I've just done my Fibonacci extension. I'm going to go and shrink the chart up here so you can see it better. And what you're going to notice here is that we actually line up with the M2 money supply. Okay, so basically when I'm teaching my students and I'm telling them how to use this tool, we have a previous rally that has corrected, and we use those metrics to predict how high it might go. So where is Bitcoin projected to go according to my Fibonacci extension tool? Commonly, for a more volatile asset like Bitcoin, it commonly goes into the pink zone, okay? A boring basic stock or something goes into the blue zone, but it would be quite easy and common and expected for Bitcoin to go into the pink zone. Look over on the right-hand side of your chart, and you could see that that brings us towards $170,000 potentially, which lines up exactly with what the M2 money supply is telling us, okay? I'm very bullish. I've got my Bitcoin shirt on. I'm fully invested. I've been telling my Crypto Bootcamp members for weeks now, hang on, don't get out. We're expecting a really big rally and a new all-time high coming. And I think that's exactly where we are at. If you want to get live updates and get all the information you can ahead of time, head over to my website, guys. I've got the Crypto Bootcamp here. If you want to join, I'm here. I'm your mentor. I'm your coach. I'm doing chart analysis, going over the news, giving price predictions, telling you exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying, and when I'm selling right here in the Crypto Bootcamp. So head over to investlikemike.com. Click the store page, and when you go to the store page, folks, you click on the Crypto Bootcamp, and you can reserve your spot right here, and you can join me for 1 hour every week for a very low price, and I often go over the 1 hour mark. You also get to be part of my exclusive Invest Like Mike Crypto Bootcamp group, where I do a lot more chart analysis and give you a lot of extra information if you are part of the Crypto Bootcamp. Okay? Thanks for joining me, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.